Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg Art, and today we are going to redraw this old split drawing of Goku and Vegeta Super Saiyan 4, which I did in January 2017, so almost 5 years ago. I think that you can clearly see that it's an old drawing. I don't really like it. The face looks weird and the coloring is very powerless. Also the proportions of the face are not optimal, so I think this is a big chance to see how much I've improved during those years. Let's get right into it guys. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can start. Let's go. Alright guys, this is it. I have to say I am very happy with the final result. I love drawing split faces and this one really turned out great. I love the face expression the most. The proportions are on point and the coloring is so powerful. I love it. And in my opinion, you can clearly see huge improvements in all aspects. This is really one of my personal favorites in terms of my split drawings. What do you think about my drawing evolution? Let me know in the comments below guys. Make sure to like the video to show me your support and subscribe if you are new, so you won't miss any uploads from now. Prints of this drawing will be available very soon on my Etsy shop. If you're ever interested in a custom drawing, contact me via Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com so we can talk about your personal drawing. That's it guys, thanks for watching, take care and I'll see you on the next video.